So same thing here, but I mean, you look at this, you're sort of thinking there's going to be loads and loads of work, but it's not. Most of them are even, aren't they? Most of them are even. There's an odd one there, so K is an odd one. M's fine, L's fine, J's fine, H is fine. Where's the other odd ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's E, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and F, and D at the top there. So they're my ones we've got there. We'll join those two together and those two together on that one. Then we'll let's go D and E, F and K on that one, and then we'll go D and K, E and F. So we need to work out the distance between each of these. Well, D to F. D to F, that's just going to be straight down, I think, isn't it? D to F. No, it's not. Look, D to F, you could go that way. D to the F would be just that. That's 24. E to K, I think we'd go like that. E to K is 40. So that one makes 64. D to E, can you get there quicker? No, D to E is 30. Oh, no, look, you can via A. That would be 35. D to E is 35. And F to K. F to K, just go like that. That's 15. So that's better, isn't it? That's 50. Now D to K, oh god, that's miles, isn't it? So maybe there to there, that's 36, 26, 33 maybe. And E to F, oh good, they're next to each other, that's 25. So that one there makes 58, doesn't it? So this is the extra bits we're going to go on. What does it ask us to do? So D to E, so let's add these on to show you what we're doing. So we're adding that on extra and that on extra. So that's AD and DE. And then F to K we went via J, didn't we? So we were going there to there and there to there. So FJ and J to K. They're the extra bits that we were going to add on. What's the rest of the questions say? So the total length, well, they told us it was going to be 451. We've added on an extra 50, so the grand total is going to be 501. How many times will J appear in the inspection? So J is there. So look, we'll arrive at J and go away. We'll arrive at J and go away. We'll arrive at J and go away. So it'll find 3 times, because there's 6 lines coming out of it. One's for arrival, one's for going away again. So J will appear 3 times in the network. So this last bit here, we're saying we're going to start at K, and we're interested in what's the other one we're going to finish at. So I'm just writing that. So look, that means we're either going to have to do D to E, or D to F, or E to F again. And we've worked out each of those earlier, didn't we? D to E was 35, D to F was 24, and E to F was 25. So that's the shortest one that we do there. So what I would say from that is, with the other hut would be at E, and then we would redo the D to F route. And so our grand total now be 24 and 451. So that's 475 would be the total. And I'll leave you to find a route all the way around, as there's so many different ones that you could have.